Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film an unboxing. Actually, I've already unboxed it in my Chinese channel when I did this Taobao haul. But I just opened it. I didn't really like set it up. So today I'm going to set it up in front of the camera. So what is this? This is let me open it. So what is that? I bought it from Taobao. Can't remember how much. I will put the price up here. This is a mirror. Why I want to unbox this mirror? Just because this mirror is like when I open it. You see there's a LED lights here, so I reckon it's very good to do makeup if the lights in the room is not good. So there are a few colors I think on Taobao, and I bought a white color, and there's a switch at the back. So inside the box, apart from the mirror, I also have instructions, which is called large LED mirror. This is a large LED mirror. This is the instruction manual. So I use a screwdriver. It's a bit tight though. Okay, I open it. So this mirror needs two 2A battery. There's also a base. How am I going to do it? Okay. Here? Oh, yeah. Okay, you just need to push in hardly. So it's like that. You can put a little bit like lipstick or whatever things there. So what else is in the box? There's a USB cable. I think this one can also be powered by computer. You can just plug into the computer and turn it on. So I will use the 2A battery first. It's not only like, I just find that it's not only 2 battery here. There's another battery holder here. So does that mean that it needs 4 2A battery? Oh yeah, it needs 4 2A battery. It's kind of like a lot of battery though. Then okay, let me turn it on. Eh? How come? Huh? Why it's not working? Oh, is that here? Oh yeah, okay, I turn it on. Okay, I just put the battery, the positive and the negative to the wrong direction. So let me turn it on now. See, so it says that you just need to turn the smart button. Ta-da! So it's on now. So want to touch the brightness and let me see if it's working that way. Oh, the light is open. Okay. That's dimmer, you can see. That's dimmer. So how? Okay, that's brighter. So that's dimmer. That's brighter. Okay. So it can adjust the light, so or dim the light or increase the brightness. That's quite cool. Dim. Okay. Brighter. Yeah, I think it might help that to do the makeup if the room light is not good. Or I also can use it as like a ring light, I think. I just need to turn that mirror on and the color looks a lot better than without the lights on. Because it's LED, I think, well, the color looks a little bit better now. So, okay, that's all for this video. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.